If you're like me and you got a lot of fishing rods and you don't want them scattered everywhere, I highly recommend getting something like this. This right here will actually store your knives, your pliers, your scissors, and a lot of other gear. It's an effortless combo management with staggering height. So, you know, you can adjust this height right here. It holds up to 16 combos and it takes up less than 15 square feet. Looking at the side, you can store your fishing line spools, which I do have some of those, knives, pliers, easy to assemble, lightweight design. Check that out. Oh, you can put spools right up in there, and then I like that, and then your pliers right there. Oh, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and let's start putting this thing together. Let's see what we get with this. And it looks like there's not much to it. I guess the pole that you're going to put together, that's the piece that goes in the middle, and maybe a top and bottom piece. Let me go ahead and open this up and lay it out, and let's see what we got. Laid it all out here. This is what you get. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the instructions and start piecing this thing together. It looks super simple to install. So let's get it together now. All right, there it is, everybody. I just put all my rods in there. I've got the 2 bait casters on this side over here. I've got the 2 spinning reels on this side. You can go 2 levels. You can go down here or you can go up here. So depending on your rod height, you can change the levels. I absolutely love this thing. Look how cool this thing looks. And you have a place right here for a set of pliers. I put some braid right there. So I'm gonna be reeling up. I'm gonna be loading up one of my bait casters here in a minute, and this makes it so handy having all this. And another little miscellaneous tray right here for extra scissors or whatever, or actually scissors will go right there, and then you can add extra stuff right here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the KastKing, you know, 16 rod holder with extras. Highly recommend this. See y'all in the next video.